关前街 Ervanários Ervanários 澳门关前街 Street of the Herbalist Oh mama Macau Making it through these streets just right Oh mama Macau Meandering, meandering, meandering Antiques, restaurants, coffee shops Portuguese tiled streets Lanterns and shops And some of the coolest damn architecture Oh mama Macau Making it through these streets just right Oh mama Macau Meandering, meandering, meandering
Okay, so we're going to be filming this little slice of Macau, and there's a lot going on in here in the street. There's fortune tellers and kind of people dressed up in different period pieces. So we're going to walk by and see some of that. I usually don't film at night, so hopefully this comes out okay, lighting wise. But you can also see some of it here as well. And there was stuff here and they closed it. I guess tomorrow there might be some more, but it's October 1st right now. It's the first day of the Mid-Autumn Festival, so we'll see what's going on in the street. So stay tuned for that. We'll also see that little sign right there too. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so let me just kind of see here. October 1 through 26, National Day, Golden Week, every Saturday and Sunday. So this Amazon Value is not too far from here, and these are some of our streets. So we're on this particular street, and then this one is the one that's to the left, and these two are behind me. So I guess they'll be celebrating on Saturday and Sunday. This is one of the streets here. You can see Grand Lisboa up in the distance. Okay. So we're gonna go into the alleys. This is all lit up right here at night too. I'm gonna try to get a better camera for nighttime filming. Then the whole city would be kind of a different feel. Okay, so I can hear some music there. So I think they're setting up. Let's kind of see what else we got in here. So I guess they're going to be playing music a little bit later. We got a little alley in here. I think that's actually a new mural as well. Let me see. So I don't know. Let's see, there's a bunch of people down in the alley as well. We're going to be going down this one as well, but let's just kind of walk down and see what's going on in here. I think it's all to do with the festival. Some guys playing Zhengji in the park. So I'm gonna go back. Yeah, it's quite different. It's quite there's our street. Ervanários. So that's our target street. We'll go see Ervanários. Okay. So yeah, different things going on in here. And we're gonna keep on walking down the street. It's a Wednesday, so it's part of the holiday. This is also, I think there's like fortune telling. So kind of interesting. Vegetarian restaurant. Okay. So yeah, they would have all these things going on earlier. Came a little bit late. There's a hotel to the right. But yeah, this is Dos Ervanários. It's a little slice of Macau for you. If you're watching my recent film when I filmed after the typhoon, this is kind of a follow-up of what it usually looks like. And yeah, it's kind of quiet. It's I think it's quite busy. Everything was lively earlier. It's about 8:30 p.m. right now on the holiday. And I saw lots of other photos. There's a all right. See you guys later. Okay. So we're gonna go a little bit more and just kind of see what else is around. I see more statues, more things. So I think here's the zone that they're talking about. Stuff, all the ruins. But yeah, they have this pink fence here too. There's the street sign right there, Ervanários. So that's the one that we're filming. Egg tarts. Okay, let's just kind of see what's on this street here. So they have stories of Hong Kong. This is the Stelligen right down here. There's another street way down there that's also celebrating the holiday. It's a little bit like a food street, but it's usually on weekends, but it's also today. But I think I'm going to go up a little bit like this. Look at this one. I think I don't see this gate down very often. But this kind of celebrates some of the stuff that's going on today. Okay, so we're just gonna walk up, give you some context. So that's Ervanários, and I'm just kind of curious to see what's all going on up here this evening. Yeah, it's kind of a different feeling tonight because of the holiday. That goes up to all the ruins up there. We got a half moon up there as well. So it's a mid-autumn festival, so I think it maybe, I don't know, I wonder if it's probably connected to the lunar calendar of some kind, of some way. No, I'm not fully sure. Lots of people everywhere up in here, but it is nighttime. Usually my cameras it doesn't really come out that great at nighttime. So we're gonna end the video. Always thought that was really cool right there, that image with the mannequins in the windows. Okay, so we're just gonna go back, look back at Ervanários, which is gonna be our target street. I usually try to film specific streets, capture how they change over time and on different days and stuff like that. So we're gonna go back to Ervanários in a moment. Yeah, it's basically connected to, there we go. So the one sign said there's things on Estelagen, and there's another sign that said things were down that way, and then of course that one, which is our target one. And there we go. There's a slice of Macau for you tonight. Had to get over here during these holidays a little bit earlier. All right.
Street of the Herbalist. Oh, Macau.